So we are asked to simplify, and we are multiplying binomials with radicals in them. Whenever you do this, you want to FOIL. So for number 1, we'll multiply the firsts. So you'll multiply what's on the outside of the radical. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then the square root of 6. And then 4 times the square root of 3 is 4 square root of 3. Multiply the insides. We will have minus 7 square root of 36. Multiply the outsides and then multiply the insides. And then last, we will have minus square root of 18. So simplify. Well, the square root of 6 and the square root of 3 cannot be simplified anymore, so we're just going to leave them. The square root of 36 is 6, so we will have 7 times 6, and then we can actually break down the square root of 18. So 6 and 3, and then, not 2 and 2, sorry, 2 and 3. There's your group of 2. The 2 will stay. And it will be minus 3 square root of 2. So see if you can combine any radicals. Our radicals are square root of 6, square root of 3, and square root of 2. Nothing is the same. The only thing we can simplify is 7 times 6. So we will get 28 square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 3 minus 42 minus 3 square root of 2. That's your final answer. For number 2, we have 3 plus the square root of 7 times 3 minus the square root of 7. So again, FOIL. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative square root of 7 is negative 3 square root of 7. Square root of 7 times 3 is positive 3 square root of 7. The square root of 7 times negative square root of 7 is negative square root of 49. So negative 3 square root of 7 and 3 square root of 7 will cancel, and we will get 9 minus, the square root of 49 is actually 7. So 9 minus 7, our answer is 2. This example is known as a conjugate. Whenever you multiply the same numbers, just the sign in between is switched, that is called a conjugate.